Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drift in Toyota Corolla step by step. Start by finding a legal empty lot, check tires, brakes, and steering, and wear a helmet. Keep the battery secure and ensure ABS and traction control can be disabled safely. Practice low-speed clutch kicks and weight transfer first. Focus on smooth inputs and controlled throttle, and always respect local laws and private property. Warm up with slow runs to feel how the Corolla reacts to steering and throttle. Try weight transfer by braking lightly, turning, then releasing to shift load rearward. Use a clutch kick or handbrake for a controlled break of traction at low speeds, and practice countersteering immediately. Keep throttle steady to maintain angle, and always recover calmly by easing steering and rolling on power to straighten the car safely. Set up your Corolla for predictable slides without major mods. Slightly lower rear tire pressure for increased slip margin, and adjust alignment toward neutral balance. A limited slip differential helps control power distribution, while suspension tweaks should remain conservative for street safety. Keep spare parts handy and practice with progressive inputs, gradually increasing speed as confidence builds. Respect mechanical limits and avoid aggressive modifications that compromise everyday reliability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.